G'day there, it's Glenn Smith here from Turnbull Motors in Warragul. What I'm going to do today is take you for a walk around tour of our 2020 Subaru Levorg in a GT Premium Wagon. Just freshly detailed, roadworthy has just been completed and the car presents beautifully. The video, what we'll try and do is point out any imperfections, if any. We try and point out as much as we can itself, just in case you are a fair way away from Warragul, to give you confidence that the car that's been purchased from us is good quality. So starting from the driver's mirror scalp, the GT Premium does have the chrome mirror scalps on driver and passenger side, sunroof, factory leather interior of course, your lower body kit, which is just that lower body kit here. But as you see, paint condition starting off with on the driver's side, front guard and door area is in great order. You'll see my reflection in the background, hello, so it's gleaming in the sun. Tyre condition and alloy wheel are in great order. Coming onto your bonnet section, beautiful bonnet scoop or scalp in the Levorgs. They look great, nice and aggressive. So your bonnet's in great order. A couple of stone chips, again being black, you will notice them pretty easily being black. But for the age of the car and the kilometres the car has done, presents very, very well. Around the front of the vehicle, nothing major that I can physically see other than a few minor stone chips here and there, just from freeway usage, but nothing untowards so far. Coming along to the passenger front guard, again, nothing that I can see that's going to stand out to scare you in any way, other than just your wear and tear grime here and there. Alloy wheel and tyres are in great condition. Again, your passenger side mirror scalp. It's quite a low vehicle, you don't realise how low it is, so I'm kind of bending over in the video, but really sits low to the ground, a great looking wagon. As you'll see, paint condition is fantastic. Your lower body scoop in great order. Nothing, again, it's untowards. Vehicle does have your factory sunroof, which is just up there, and just your roof section, again, presents really, really well. Coming down, does have the rear privacy glass in the back windows, and then back down to your rear door, again, go away fly. Paint condition is in great order. Rear alloy wheel and tyre, again, in good order. Nothing major I can see there. There's a couple of slight grazes here on the rear bumper bar, which you may see slight graze there, but nothing major. Being black, it kind of stands out more than what it would in a white or another colour, but presents really, really well so far. Coming in the back tailgate area, a couple of minor marks just here and here, which is normally where they'll normally have with luggage, probably the truck going past. But again, paint condition is good so far that I can physically see. I'll open that tailgate up for you just to show you the boot section. So carpet section is in really good order. That sun is getting warm, and you'll see the cloth interior carpet section, no tears or splits or stains, in really good condition throughout as well. I'll shut that tailgate. We'll come around the back side of the car, so back down to the driver's side, rear bumper bar section. Again, paint presents really well. Rear quarter again, condition is fantastic. Back to your alloy wheel on the driver's side, again, really clean condition. Alloy wheels, really good condition as well. Back to your back of your driver's door side of the rear door. Again, presents really, really well. And then back to your driver's door. So condition is very minor all the way through. I'll open the back door just to show you the interior as well. So starting from the door card, really clean condition. Behind the seats, just your leather. Shows no tears or splits. So inside the car presents really nicely like the outside. Again, behind the passenger front seat. And then over to your door card again. And then back through your interior. Again, presents really nicely actually. Really clean condition, no tear in the leather or splits that I can physically see. I'll open the driver's door. That's me in the reflection, sorry about that, probably scared you. Again, driver's door card. Again, your leather interior presents really, really well, no tears or splits in the leather. Really clean condition. Over to the passenger side seat. Okay, great condition again. I will hop in the car in 2 ticks to start up because it is quite warm out here with the aircon. Beautiful Melbourne weather. So we'll start that car up. So push button start is just to the right hand side of your steering wheel. I'll turn that radio down. You'll see your memory seats for your driver's seat there, memory 1 and memory 2. All your safety settings there as well. Heated front seats are just in the centre here, so you've got your heated front seats for your passenger and driver. Your electric handbrake, your auto off buttons, fuel consumption saver, and then transmission. Sorry, it's a bit glary in the car. Your dual climate control. Again, reverse camera will come up automatically as soon as you select reverse, which I've just selected reverse now. Back to your home screen. Your map settings for your satellite navigation. So it's a really easy system to use. And then up the top is your cluster with all your settings. Tells you it's 24 degrees outside. It's definitely warmer than 24 today. Just coming from the detailer, so it's starting to slowly creep up now. Current kilometres now is 106,834, so really good kilometres. Like I said, presents really, really well for a 2020 model with those Ks. It's just your minor wear and tear sort of thing. So, as you'll see, interior and exterior is in great order. I'll check back out the car, we'll wrap that video. It does come with 2 factory keys, which are in my pocket, but it does come with 2 factory keys. But as you'll see, for a vehicle in a 2020 model with 106,000 Ks, presents great. If you've got any questions moving forward, my name is Glenn Smith. I can be contacted on 0423 087 607. If you've got any questions in relation to this vehicle or anything else we have in stock, please don't hesitate to give me a call. But otherwise, have a great day, and hopefully this is a car for you. Take care.